Good evening everyone. Today we will discuss some basic formulae of physics. Basic formulae of physics. Now we have first chapter is units and dimension. So the basic units are for mass, length and time. We have three system of units: MKS, CGS and FPS. MKS stands for meter, kg, second. CGS stands for centimeter, kg, second. FPS for foot, pound, second. Okay. Now we will start with distance and displacement. Okay. Distance covered by an object can never be zero, whereas displacement can be zero, because displacement is the difference between initial and final point. This is displacement. Distance is also a measurement. Now we have formulae: velocity and speed. Velocity is given by displacement divided by time, and speed is given by distance divided by time, and their units are meter per second or kilometer per hour, kilometer per hour. Distance, velocity and speed, the basic formula. Now we have formula for acceleration. Acceleration A of an object is given by velocity upon time. VELOCI. Velocity upon time is called as acceleration. Also, speed upon time is also acceleration. And units are meter per second squared or kilometer per hour squared. These are the formulae for acceleration of an object. Now from acceleration we move on to the formula of force. Force is given by mass multiply acceleration. Force is denoted by kg meter per second square or Newton. We have three laws of motion given by Newton: Newton's first law, Newton's second law, Newton's third law, which we will discuss in the further upcoming videos. Right now we will only discuss the basic formulae which are used for solving numericals in physics. After force we have formula for momentum. Momentum is denoted by P. Its formula is mass multiply velocity. Mass multiply velocity of the object is known as momentum. Also, rate of momentum change upon time is equal to force. P upon T is equal to F. Its proof is given as force is equal to mass multiply velocity upon time or momentum upon time. Now earlier we had velocity upon time is called acceleration. Now here mass multiply acceleration, which is the formula of force. This is also known as impulse momentum theorem. Now after this we have formula for kinetic energy, which is given by half mv square, where half multiply mass multiply velocity squared. Now then potential energy. Potential energy is given by m multiply g multiply h. Mass multiply acceleration due to gravity multiply height. Acceleration due to gravity g is given as 9.8 meter per second square. This is the gravitational force exerted by Earth on each and every object. 9.8 meter per second square. These are the formulae for potential and kinetic energy of a object. After this, moving on, we have three equations of motion. First equation is v equal to u plus at. Second is s equal to ut plus half at square. Third is v square minus u square equal to 2as. Okay, s is distance or displacement. Okay, u is initial velocity, v is final velocity, and t is time, a is acceleration in all the above equations. These are three equations of motion used for solving various numericals. Now, as we know, velocity equal to displacement upon time. Now time will be equal to displacement upon velocity, and displacement will be equal to velocity multiply time. This is displacement upon velocity, this is time, and displacement is equal to velocity multiply time. Similarly, for speed, we have the formula speed is equal to distance upon time. So distance will be equal to speed multiply time, and time will be equal to distance upon speed. So we can interchange all the formulae according to our requirement. Thank you. We will cover the topics in detail in upcoming videos.